It's dance competition season, so my life is nuts right now, but I have some unboxings to do. Not just one, but two, so stick around. Okay, so I already peeked, and I have this already, but I got myself another one because I use it constantly, and I figured somebody else could potentially use this. Maybe a giveaway. Anyway, it's from Louis Vuitton, and the Louis Vuitton store I got it from is linked in my bio. Okay, so it came with the dust bag, came with the paperwork, it came with all three of the pieces. I think y'all know what this is. I am so, y'all, this is my favorite bag that I own. I'm obsessed. I'm in love with this bag. I have the pink strap, I have the green strap already. I really need the blue and pink strap because that one's so cute. But great quality. This chain's a little bit longer than my other one, but I actually kind of like it. It doesn't smell bad, which y'all know me with the smells. I really like it. It's very authentic. It's like, look at the structure. I'm obsessed. So it has all the stuff with it. Came with the dust bag, came with the paperwork. Y'all, link in my bio to the Louis store I bought this from. If you know what I'm saying, go get this. You need it.